And then this guy said, "Can I be in your band?" We were like, "Yeah, well, maybe. Where are you from?" He said, "I'm from Richmond Hill." So he was a drummer. His name was Amir. And we're like, "Hey, Amir, bring it in. Do your thing." "Amir, can you be in our band?" He's like, "Yeah, boys, let's meet up." So we played in the tunnels. We played in the stairwells. We played on campus. We played in the classrooms after class. We played in the classrooms before class. Because campus gets wasted. Your talents sit with you in your room and never come out to play. So bring them with you, folks. Whether it's an envelope, or using a guitar, or your athletic ability, or your card tricks to meet some people, this place is here for you. Look at that building. It's beautiful. Look at that tree. Take someone on a date and look at the stars. Look at that building. Pianos in every friggin' room. Look at that building. You can see yourself in it with your reflection. If you can't make it to Ivy, stand in front and be like, "I'm in Ivy!"